अस्सलाम वालेकुम students, welcome again. हम cultural barriers को discuss कर रहे थे. Again, we have to discuss different examples regarding cultural barriers. Like this one is the example that we have discussed. Next one is about like thumbs up in different cultures. It's very interesting and generally cultures के point of view से देखा जाए तो culture in different cultures, different norms, values, traditions, symbols, meaning words के symbols होते हैं and so on. Just like अगर हम देखें वाइट कलर तो वाइट कलर it has different meaning in different countries. So just like good sign translate into a rude and offensive gestures in Islamic and Asian country, this sign is, and in Australia it's for okay, and if you move up and down, you consider it as a great insult. So yeah, it's an example. Another one is eye contact. In some cultures, looking people in the eyes is assumed to indicate honesty and straightforwardness. In other, it is seen as challenging and rude. And sometimes it seems to be you are very very challenging and rude. Sometimes we are used to of हमारे culture में भी इसी तरह होता है. In Arab culture too, little eye contact is regarded as disrespectful. In English culture, certain amount of eye contact is necessary, but too much makes people uncomfortable. In South Asian countries, direct eye contact is regarded as aggressive and rude. So these are the examples, and as per the different cultures, every you can see your body language, your yeah, you can say different colors have different meanings. Just like white color, red color, blue color in different countries, it has different meaning. So yeah, that is about cultural barriers. Now, next one is about linguistic barriers. When we are talking about linguistic barriers, generally these are the part of those barriers also. That is the reason ये डिटेल में डिस्कस हो चुके हैं, but generally that was the part of lesson plan. So इसलिए हम very brief overviews का ले लेंगे. Linguistic is about language barriers, is one of the main barrier that limit the effective communication when we are not properly pronounce something at the accent from point of view and so on. So that can be the linguistic barriers. Emotional barriers, emotional IQ of the person determine the ease and comfort with which they can communicate. So emotionally, person must be a mature individual, so he can communicate the message in a proper way. And next, receiver has to be definitely mature enough to yeah, receive the message in that fashion, in that manner. Now, next one is about attitudinal barriers. Already we have discussed in the psychological barriers. So, from attitude point of view, definitely, if your attitude is very rude and you are very aggressive individual, definitely it gives very negative impact for the communication and for the organization. Perceptions of the individuals, perception barriers, definitely person to person perceptions will be changed, and that gives accordingly. Yeah, it's a barrier for the good communication also. Technological barriers. Now, last one is about technological, that is linked with physical and mechanical barrier. That is the reason I have told you students कि ये सारे barriers already हमने different types में discuss कर लिए. But generally we have to see कि ये क्या कौन कौन से हैं. Technological barriers, that can be the link with the tools, mediums, or we can say the technology. If it is upgraded or updated and you are definitely that technology requirement and your requirement is matched, then it's fine. But if it is not as per the requirement of the organization or the office or the individual, then that can be the barrier for the yeah, you can say good communication also. Now, next one is about, so this is all about the way we have to see, or the way we have to find out the different barriers of the communication. The process of communication has multiple barriers. Definitely, we know the barriers to effective communication could be many types, like we have discussed already: linguistic, psychological, emotional, physical, cultural, and so on. A perfect mixture of the emotions and facts are necessary for the effective communication. That can be the effective communication. That can be the good communication. Emotions like anger, frustration, humor can blur the decision making capacities of a person and thus limit the effectiveness of their communication. So decision making, that is the basic thing when we are talking about decision making. Then we have to control our emotions. Psychologically we have to be strong, emotionally we have to be strong, and from different cultures point of view we have to know the number of individuals. They are definitely, they are from different cultures, and yeah, what's the, how they are perceiving different, you can say, words, and different, you can say, whatever you are saying, how they are perceiving, how they are getting. It's very important, and then accordingly you have to send the message, accordingly you have to communicate the message, and accordingly you have to take the decision. So this is all about, we can say, barriers of communication class. And another very important thing I want to discuss with you, that is about assignment regarding this session, or this about this lecture or lesson plans. Assignment is very easy because we have bit short time, so that is the reason आपकी easy थी और comparatively simple content के point of view से थी. और इसमें just you have to find out what are the barriers and how we can, इसमें से organizational और semantic barrier के point of view से I have already give the, you can say, solutions and how we can overcome all these barriers. But remaining जो है उनका मैंने आपको overcome नहीं बताया, उनके मैंने solutions नहीं बताए. You have to find out, and then you have to convey in that specific assignment how you can overcome and how you can make the communication in an effective way. So that is about your assignment class, and good luck for the next lecture. Thank you, students.